Stay warm in style with the Mica Thermic panel heater from DeLonghi. With 2 heat settings and an adjustable thermostat, this heater makes it easy to customize your comfort. The thermal cutoff and internal tip-over switch provide added safety, while the integrated handle allows for simple transport. DeLonghi panel and convector heaters efficiently heat large rooms while fitting in with your decor. The slim, sleek design takes up minimal floor space, or it can be mounted up and out of the way. Style meets function with the Mica Thermic panel heater. Save space and stay cozy with the Slim Style Digital Convector Heater from DeLonghi. Equipped with 1500 watts of full room warming power, this convector heater features a timer, an adjustable thermostat, and multiple heat settings for convenient customization. Dual fans provide quick, even heat circulation, and the Eco function helps save energy by automatically adjusting the heat and power settings. Perfect for smaller areas, DeLonghi panel and convector heaters deliver warmth while fitting in with your decor. The slim, sleek design takes up minimal floor space, or it can be mounted up and out of the way. Take personalized warmth to new heights with the DeLonghi Slim Style Digital Convection Heater.
Dad, what are you doing?
The heating bill was ridiculous last month. We need a cheaper, greener alternative.
I know, that's why I bought an EconoHome wall heater. Saves up to 50% on home heating costs compared to other conventional heating methods, and it's great for the environment.
Wow, problem solved then.
Dad, the match!
Huh? Oh, I'm okay.
Sweetie, go get your father some aloe vera.
It's too cozy right now.
The EconoHome wall heater will change how you heat your home forever. Our convector space heater easily mounts on your wall like a picture and outputs nearly 1,000 watts fewer than standard heating methods, while still maintaining a uniformed temperature in the room. You may also choose to purchase our heat guard, plug-in thermostat, and easy mount accessories. Simple, convenient, and streamlined. That's an EconoHome heater.
Please get rid of those.
EconoHome.